Heading to Pennsylvania now. It's November 24th, the day before Thanksgiving. It's 9:15, and we're starting our drive. We got about 11 hours, so it's going to take us about 12 hours with stops to get down there. And it's pretty much it. Just a long drive. We're excited. Sad I'm missing the last 3 days of the main deer season because they're supposed to get some snow, and we haven't had snow all season, and I won't be able to track it. But, you know, my odds are better in Pennsylvania to get a deer to fill the freezer up. So we'll see you soon. I'm like, can I shoot that one?
Touch it. Get it. Get it. Touch it. Good girl. Come on, bring it here. Come on, touch it.
Sweet.
Touch it. Woo! Right here. Here. Good girl. Good job, buddy. Nice job. That's a little one.
My first one.
No, I just mean he's small, like.
Yeah. I seen him get up and run.
You have a pouch. Yay! Out of 12 birds.
I'm pointing out like,
Woohoo! Well, she's prepared.
I just wanted to make sure. Yeah. Open day of rifle season in Pennsylvania. Just had breakfast. Kenzie's getting ready. I'm about ready. It's what time is it? About 6 o'clock. Shoot time's I don't know, closer to 7. So we're gonna head up to the stand now, or house, or condo, whatever you want to call it, and wait. So hopefully it's my turn this year to get a deer. Kenzie got hers last year on opening day, so see if I can get a big one. This morning, so we're back out here now. It's about 2 o'clock. It's looking pretty good. Sun's out. Wind died down a little bit. Snow's starting to melt off a little bit, so hopefully it'll be up at the top here, feeding on the greens. But it's November 29th. Third day me and Kenzie have been in Pennsylvania. We haven't seen much for deer. We're at a new spot today, so we would just jump in spots. This is the spot we sat last year. Kenzie shot her deer. But this spot, the past couple days, has been seeing a lot of deer. They saw a 6-point Saturday. And then yesterday they saw a 6 and an 8-point. Shot at the 8-point and missed. So, you know, hopefully that one comes back. We're gonna sit here for a bit and hope something comes in each other.
Just go slow. Is he still there? Is he yet? Take hold. Okay. Just be patient. in. Yep, be ready. I can't tell, did he get him?
I hit him hard.
Good
There's a
job.
bunch of deer down there. Holy shit.
Oh, really? Is there another buck?
Nope.
All doe?
All doe, but let's go.
Okay, it's fine.
I hit him hard.
I'm shaking.
That was a good buck.
Good buck?
Let's go get him.
Good buck.
Only reason I want to go get him now is because if those doe didn't run far, we might be able to get a shot at them because we both have doe tags. So.
Good blood? Oh, yeah.
It's spray.
Decent.
It's spray.
Yeah.
That's the impact. So we're gonna go check. Oh yeah, he's bleeding.
Okay.
There he is.
Where? Hold on.
You done?
Oh, yeah. Oh. There he is.
Got him.
He's dead, right?
Yeah, he friggin' slid right down.
Nice. Yeah, he did. Look, that smark.
Got one broken tongue. Hit him right there.
Nice
It doesn't get
shot.
better than that. Tim got one
Tim
of the
got
does I
one. Had to have been one of those does. or that.
There you go. Yeah, it's a doe. Hurry up. You want to use my 270? You can use that.
We're gonna try this.
Man.
She's looking.
Yeah.
She needs to turn her whole body around.
Yeah.
Oh, God.
Okay.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Hopefully I don't miss her. Okay. I might have missed.
It's the November 30th. Tuesday. It's our Saturday, Sunday, Monday. It's our 4th day on here in Pennsylvania. I shot my buck yesterday, and Kenzie filled her antlerless tag yesterday, so all that's left is her buck tag to fill and my antlerless tag to fill. So we're sitting in the same shack we did yesterday. We shot both the deer on the same stand. Saw a lot in the evening. We didn't see many in the morning, but I can hit her in the neck right now.
I was gonna say, see her neck, that's it.
And I can hit her in the stomach. Oh, he's dang.
No, right.
What's that one back there? She's that one back. Yeah, I'm gonna go for that middle one.
The middle. Okay. Yep. Make sure you know.
That's not what I want to shoot with.
I mean, a doe is a doe is a doe, so.
I know. Yeah, I'm gonna shoot her. Ready?
Yep.
That one's scratching.
Yep. Oh, she's looking.
I can shoot her right now. You ready?
Yep.
She ain't gonna go far.
I lost him.
She's down right there, I think.
We'll,
Well,
go check.
I think I got it though.
Down at
Yeah,
438.
We're gonna run down there and see, and if we got it, we'll just pull her up the bank, I think, and
Yeah.
maybe sit the remainder. Maybe not. Depends how much time. I don't think we'll sit.
We won't have
but
time, yeah, it's fine.
So just keep another round in there.
Yep.
Let's go find her.
I was hoping she wasn't gonna make it this far, but she ran down the steepest part, and she's piled up right down there in the creek bottom. You can see her or not, but
Yeah.
so that ought to be fun dragging her out.
Yeah, up this big old hill here, you know.
Pretty slick today too. I don't have a rope on me, so might take my belt off that I don't have.
Suspenders?
I use my suspenders if I have to. But she's not a giant, but she's a good doe. So we'll pull her out, and we won't have time to sit again.
No.
But we got we got tomorrow all day to sit, and then Thursday morning, then we head back to Maine. So let's grab her, and we'll show it to you in a second. Well, so we got her. She came barreling down that hill and landed down here in the creek bottom. She's not a giant doe, but we're getting down to the end of the season, so our season, our time down here, and she was good enough to take for me. All my tags are filled. Kenzie just needs to shoot a buck, and we'll have plenty of meat to go back up to Maine with. But pretty doe. She'll feed us good. I think it was a pretty good shot. I'm surprised she ran as far as she did. It was a little high. We were shooting way down too, so but took out her lungs anyway. So we'll bring her up the hill, bring her back up to the shack, and have Tim come grab her on the side by side. So. Alright, this was our final sit. We won't be back here this evening. We sat till about 10 today, and we're heading out now, so nothing came in, and we gotta pack it up and head back to Maine, so. Been fun though. I killed a buck. Kenzie got a little buck, but it counts as an antlerless. It was a really tiny spike, had one side broken off, and the other spike was hidden behind the ear. We thought it was a doe, and that's that. And then I shot a nice little doe yesterday, 2 days ago, right? 2 days ago. So we're head back, pack it up, and grab all our meat, put it in the coolers, and head north. See you later, guys.